Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are very good. Today I am going to discuss the most effective way you can learn English language. Yes, it is possible. Everyone can speak fluency in English. What do you exactly need to do for that? I am going to talk about this topic, but before we start the video, I just want to say to every each of one, please watch the video till the end because this video is going to give you so much knowledge. Also, you will learn many things from this video, so watch it till the end. And if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss the most effective way you can learn English. But before we start the video, I want to give you a little introduction about English language. What is the English language and how much important to you to learn this language? It's a global language and everyone need to know how to speak in English. Let's suppose you want to do a global business. You want to go outside in your country. Just imagine what would be happen if you could not understand this language. What would be happen if you cannot communicate with people in English? Just imagine. This is very important. It's a global language. Everyone need to know how to speak in English. And I believe everyone can speak this language fluency if they truly want. It is possible, bro. So let's start. What is the most effective way to learn this language? I am going to say to everyone the same things what I used to talk. Talk with yourself every single day at least 20 minutes. It is going to help you a lot, bro, because it helped me a lot. Also, it helped many people. Still, who can speak fluency in English language, they also talk with themselves every single day. I also do that. I talk with myself every day at least 20 minutes. I make many mistakes. I make 100 mistakes every day, but I don't stop because I know if I do the practice with consistency, I will definitely improve myself. I will definitely speak the way how I truly want to speak. It is possible to everyone. You can do it. You can speak this language fluency. Just practice. Just do the practice with consistency. Talk with yourself. Whenever you get a chance to talk with somebody, don't let that opportunity go from you. Just go and talk with them. Don't care what people think about you. Just care about yourself. What do you think about yourself? Is it enough for you to practice in your English language, or it is not enough? If you think that it is not enough, then just go and do the practice with consistency. Go and talk with them. Never get scared. Don't get regret to talk with people. I know many people, they don't want to work hard. They don't want to practice with consistency and they expect to get a better result. How is it possible? Just think about that. How is it possible? If you don't practice, if you don't go and talk with people, then how can you speak this language fluency? It is not possible if you don't practice. And I believe everyone can do it. Everyone can go and talk with people with confidence. It is possible, bro. Just do the practice with consistency. You can speak this language out loud. It is possible for everyone. What you think, convert those thoughts in English language and use English as much as possible when you talk. Instead of talking in your native language, you need to talk in English language. It doesn't matter if the person could not understand English. It's okay. You need to let them talk their native language and you can talk in English language. It is going to help you a lot to build the confidence to talk with people. Do that, bro. This is very important. Talk with yourself every single day and talk with people whenever you get a chance. Think in English. How can you think? What do you think in your native language? Try to convert those thoughts in English language and use English language. Use English sentences as much as possible to you to improve this language. It is possible. It is not that impossible what you think. You make it hard. You think that it is so difficult for you to speak this language fluency. You think that maybe it is not possible. But I am going to say to everyone, it is possible. Everything is possible in life. Anything is possible. Whatever you want to do in life or who you want to become in life, it is possible to you to achieve the things. You have to work hard. You have to do the practice with consistency. Without paying the price, nothing would be happen. And don't limit yourself by the opinions of people. I know many people, they limit themselves by the opinion of other people. Don't do it, bro. you have the full right to do anything what you want out of your life. Follow your passion, follow your dream, listen yourself, listen your heart, who you want to become in life, and do work towards on your goal. Listen yourself, don't listen people, don't listen naysayers, and watch English videos. It is going to help you a lot. Many people, they think that maybe it is not going to help them. Why do you think that it is not help you? This is very important. If you are a beginner, you must need to watch English videos. I know people are very scared because they think that they could not understand English, and that's why they don't watch English videos. But I want to suggest to everyone, if you want to improve your listening skills, if you want to know how to speak in English exactly, you must need to watch English videos. Many people, they suggest you watch English videos, and I want to suggest to everyone, watch English YouTube videos, because it does not take so much time to you. Maybe it will take 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and I think everyone has that time to improve themselves. Use your time to do something which is valuable. Don't waste time. Time is very important. Many people, they are wasting their time to doing something which is not important in their future. If you want to improve your future, if you want to expect good things come to you in the future, then you have to work hard in your present moment. You have to use your time in your present moment. Don't waste time. Always make sure you are doing something which is very important. So use time and do the practice with consistency. Definitely you will improve. Definitely you can speak this language fluency. It is possible. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and also I hope you will learn many things from this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. Today's for that. I will be back very soon. Bye.